All right, in lesson 411, we're talking about the sum of three addends. So I'm going to do a number talk with you, showing you some different strategies to add three addends. If I had this problem, 2 plus 4 plus 3. All right, these three numbers are my addends. These three here are the addends. The answer, which is 9, would be the sum. Okay, and then the whole thing is called an equation. All right, let's look in our Go Math book, in our big Go Math book, and I want you to look at page 214. Page 214. So if you need to pause and go get page 214, you can. All right, number 1 is the first one we're going to work on. 33 plus 34 plus 32. Now, I'm going to show you two ways. When you have 3 or 4 addends, I think it's easiest to add your ones place and then add your tens place. Okay. So the first thing that you want to do is look for a 10. Do any of these two numbers add together to make a 10? They don't. So the second thing you're going to do is add the two largest numbers. So in this situation, it would be 4 and 3. All right. I like to draw myself a small arrow and add the two biggest numbers and then add that one to this one. So 7 plus 2 is 9. And I line it up directly under the ones place. You have to be neat with this type of math. All right, then 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So the answer that I got was 99. This is the most efficient way to do this type of problem. However, if this is hard for you, another thing that you can do is you can write it horizontally. But again, in this situation, I would recommend this strategy. And you can break apart the tens and the ones. All right, I'm going to do the ones first. 3, 4, 2. So 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 4 is 7, 8, and 9. And then I'm going to add the tens. 30, 30, 30. Okay, 30 plus 30 plus 30. All right, if I know that 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, then I know that 30 plus 30 plus 30 is 90. And then I can just add 90 plus 9 to get 99. So this is just standard algorithm. This is tens and ones. In my opinion, this is the best, most efficient way, but you can do it however is best for you. All right, this was number 1. We're going to do 3 more. Look at number 2. All right, number 2 is 47 plus 21 plus 7. Now notice how there's nothing in the ones place, the tens place for 7, and you leave that space open. It's very important. If you accidentally put the 7 in the tens place, you've changed it from 7 to 70, and your answer will be incorrect. All right, in this situation, I still can't make a 10. I'm going to get the two largest ones, which happen to be a doubles fact. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 more is 15. That one's in there too. All right, with this one, I'm going to have to put the number in the ones place, which is 15, in the ones place, and carry this 10 up in the tens place. Then I'm going to add the tens place. 4, 5, 6, 7. 75. All right, let's try it tens and ones and see if we get the same thing. All right, 1, 7, 1, 7. I'm going to write 7, 7, 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 more is 15. Got the same thing. 40, 20, and no more 10. So 40 plus 20. Remember, if I know 4 plus 2 is 6, I know that 40 plus 20 is 60. Then I'm going to add 60 plus 15. 60 and 10 is 70. 0 and 5 is 5. So I got the same sum or answer in both problems. All right. Let's look at number 3. Number 3 is, and I think actually that's going to be enough, 65, 13, and 15. All right, strategy number 1 is just to add the ones first and then the tens. All right, look, the 2 largest ones make a 10. So 5 and 5 is 10, plus 3 more is 13. All right, I'm going to put the 3 in the ones place and the 1 in the tens place. Starting with the largest, 6, 7, 8, 9. 93. And notice how I kind of marked them off as I went so that I got them all. Right? Let's do tens and ones. Five plus 3 plus 5. 5, 10, 13. 60, 10, and 10. So 6, 7, 8. And add a 0 for 80. 80 plus 13 is 80, and 10 is 90, and 0 and 3 is 3. 93. Again, standard algorithm to me is the best way for this type problem, but you can choose the way that you feel is best for you. After this number talk today, I want you to go and complete page 215. And then on page 216, I want you to do number 24. You don't have to do the other ones, just 24 on page 216.